Attention Perry Township home buyers. What if I told you you could get a 4-bedroom, 2-bath home with newer 3-dimensional shingles on the roof, laminate hardwood floors, fresh paint, brand new carpet, a huge fenced-in backyard, and an in-ground pool, all at a price you can actually afford. Let's go take a peek.
This gorgeous tri-level home in Perry Township has just under 2,000 square feet and beautiful laminate hardwoods on the main level with easy access to the pool. Upstairs, there are 3 really good-sized bedrooms. They all have great closet space and brand new carpet in every room. There's also a full bath upstairs that has a full tub and shower combination. Downstairs, you will love the cozy family room with the wood-burning fireplace, new carpet down there, new vinyl plank flooring in the second full bath, and a 4th bedroom as well. Outside, you are absolutely going to love the in-ground pool, the fenced backyard, huge patio, and the extra-large mini barn as well.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, you saw it here first. Close to the high school, close to the 6th grade academy, close to Vito Provolone's, yum, and close to Perry Park. You are not going to want to miss out on this home, but do not wait. All kitchen appliances are included, the in-ground pool is included, and all at a price you can actually afford. Please don't wait. Give me a call, shoot me a text today.